Hey guys, I thought today I would take you along with me on my journey to get my eyebrows microbladed. Now, microblading is the tattooing technique of using a blade to put in strokes that mimic natural eyebrow hair, and then they add a semi-permanent pigment to your skin. So you might be thinking, why would you want to do this? Well, like a lot of women in their 20s, I totally overplucked my eyebrows. From watching Friends and Drew Barrymore, they had these really cute, thin, dark eyebrows. Now in my 40s, I've kind of ran out of eyebrow hair. So I originally got my eyebrows microbladed about a year and a half ago, so today we're going for a touch-up. So I'm going to show you guys what they look like right now. I have no makeup on the eyebrows, and you can see that I'm running out of microblading here, and I'm missing some right there. So we're just going to change the shape a little bit, and we're going to warm up the color. So my friend Sylvia is driving me today, and she's going to do some of the filming. So if you're curious about how microblading works, and if you want to see my healing process, please keep on watching. Step one is they grit out the eyebrows so that they are symmetrical.
Step 2, most important step, numbing cream. And step 3, customize your color.
Okay, so we're all done. These are the finished eyebrows. So you're going to see a little bit of red over here where the marks were. Obviously, it's a blade that they use to put in the strokes, but they mimic actual hair strokes. Over the next 5 to 8 weeks, they're going to scab over and then heal. So it'll also lighten the dye. So they won't be this dark, but you'll be able to see the strokes even clearer. So my next check-in with you guys will be tomorrow morning, and I'll show you what they look like first thing, and then I'll explain all the aftercare. See you guys tomorrow.
Good morning, everybody. It is the day after I got my microblading done, and I thought I would show you guys what day 2 looks like. So I have no makeup on, but I'm going to do a close-up so you guys can see how the microblading looks day 2. So it darkens overnight, but this is not going to be my final color. It's going to scab over the next 10 to 14 days, and once the scabs come off, that's going to be my actual color. But again, not too bad. I do look a little angry birdish, but still, I can totally go out with these and not a problem. So I can't get them wet for the first 5 days. So that means when I wash my face or if I'm going to shower, I have to be super careful not to get any water there. So part of the aftercare is also that you can't go to the gym because you can't get sweat in there. No saunas, no hot tubs, no baths. and no makeup for at least 7 to 10 days. Because what you need to remember is that these are little strokes made with a blade, so it's a cut in your skin, and you have to make sure you keep it very clean, or you do run the risk of getting an infection. So my technician Danielle from So Beautiful You gave me some at-home care instructions. So this is a microtonic. I applied this to my eyebrows 3 times last night, and now starting today, I'm going to apply it 3 times a day for the next 5 days. And this is what's going to keep it clean and sanitized. So I'm just going to take a clean Q-tip, dip it in, and then I'm just going to gently run it over both eyebrows. She also gave me a micro balm. So this is going to help as the eyebrows start to scab over and the skin starts to fall off. It's going to get very dry and a little itchy. So I'm going to apply this to help in the healing process. So with microblading, they do over dry it a little bit because as it starts to heal, it's going to shrink by about 1/3. And some of it isn't going to adhere to the skin. That's just the natural healing process. It all depends on your skin type, which is why in 5 to 8 weeks, I'm going to go back for a touch-up, and anything that didn't adhere or anything I maybe want to change or darken up, she'll do in my second appointment. So not much is going to happen between now and I think day 7. So I think I'll check back in with you guys on day 7, and I think by then it's going to start to scab over. Might be able to show you guys some of that and see what it looks like as it's starting to heal. But yeah, I'll do another check-in at day 7. So as you can see, the tail part has already sloughed off, and the beginning part of my eyebrow here has started to fade off. My tail on this side and just a little bit here is starting to flake. So you can see that the microblading has already starting to rise off of my skin, which is good. It says the healing process and it's going to slough off. So here's the challenge. You cannot pick any of this off. If you go ahead and try to pick some of this off, you can actually pull the pigment out and then the microblading didn't work. So you have to just let it naturally exfoliate off of your skin. And that should happen over the next 4 or 5 days, I think. And yeah, so I'll show you guys what they look like on day 14, day 15. All of this should be gone. So you'll actually see what my actual eyebrows are gonna look like. It is day 16. My eyebrows have completely healed. So I'm gonna bring you in so you can have a close-up. So I'm very happy with the outcome. My goal was to raise my arch on both sides, which you can see has totally happened, and to fill in the archway a little bit. So yeah, I'm very happy with how my eyebrows look. Thought that I would insert some pictures of what my eyebrows look like before I ever had microblading done, so you guys can see what my starting point was. So as you can see in the pictures, starting from the arch down to the tail, I have absolutely no hair. And because I'm a natural redhead, my eyebrow hair and my eyelash hair actually doesn't have any pigment. So I would either get my eyebrows dyed, or I would spend 20 minutes trying to pencil them in to make them look as real as possible. So for me, microblading was the best thing I ever could have done for myself. The eyebrows are what frame your face. They add structure and definition to your face. And without having them, I always felt like my face looked expressionless. So I love the fact that now I can just wake up in the morning, my eyebrows are already on, and I can just go out of the house without any makeup on. I don't have to spend another 20 minutes in my makeup routine trying to pencil on my eyebrows. And I love that when we go on vacation, I don't have to worry about going in the water and my eyebrows will either disappear or they'll smear, or that the humidity will make my eyebrow product absorb into the skin, because no eyebrow product is 100% waterproof. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learning about the process of microblading, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey guys, so today I thought I would take you See? And this is why.
I know, but that would be me too.
Okay.
You need a person that will stand there with like these things
Yeah, with the cards,
and
right?
actually record it for you. I mean, tell you what to say while you're recording it.